Hello and welcome to the Global Electronics Report. It's Friday, April 28th and my name is David Burford. Today's programme is sponsored by Twin International. The New York Times has reported that Chinese smartphone manufacturer Huawei is coming under increased scrutiny by investigators in the United States as to whether it has been breaking American trade controls on Cuba, Iran, Sudan and Syria. The United States Treasury Department's Office of Foreign Assets Control issued a subpoena in December. The inquiry followed a previous subpoena sent to Huawei last summer by the United States Department of Commerce that oversees exports of technology that can have military as well as civilian uses and carries out sanctions. A new report, Industrial IoT Market Size, Industry Outlook, Regional Analysis, Application Development Competitive Landscape and Forecast 2016 to 2024 has been released by Global Market Insights. It finds that the industrial IoT market, or Internet of Things, is set to propel over time. Drivers to this are improving productivity enhancements to worker safety and reduced operating costs. There is surging demand for technological advancements and innovations to improve operational efficiencies primarily drives the industrial IoT market. The report can be purchased online at the address on your screen now. German electronics distributor Rutronic is expanding its UK team and is opening another office. Opening officially on April 10th, the new office in Swindon has added 14 sales staff to serve existing and potential customers in the south of England. Rutronic has been operating in the UK since 2005 with an office in Bolton near Manchester. UK contract manufacturer Speedboard Assembly Services has invested in its future by expanding its shop floor by 3,000 square feet, giving it a new total area of 25,000 square feet. The expansion follows year-on-year growth of the company, which has operated in Windsor for over 30 years. Speedboard's customer base is communications and broadcast, automotive, industrial healthcare and security. Join me after a short break for tech news and a report on this week's NetCon China show. NetCon China took place this week, hosting the electronics manufacturing industry. Global SMT and Packaging's editor-in-chief Trevor Galbraith made the long journey over to check out the latest on the show floor and sends this report.
There is definitely a new note of optimism here in China. After 2 years of virtual stagnation, business seems to be showing signs of growth again, largely born on the back of the new applications and, in particular, the automotive industry. NetCon Shanghai is still the largest show in China for electronics manufacturing equipment and attracts most of the multinational suppliers of equipment and materials. The biggest story of the show floor this week was the emergence of Axon Micronic as a newly minted division of the Swedish company Micronic. They exhibited an extensive line of inline, standalone and benchtop dispensers with a wide range of valves and configurations for dispensing, underfilling and coating. This acquisition is a win-win for Micronic. It greatly expands their presence in China on the back of Axon's market-leading position and domestic footprint. Axon, for its part, will receive an enormous boost on the world stage through Micronic's network outside of China. There weren't too many new products on the show floor this week, but ASM followed Kurt's Ersa in displaying the use of Google Glasses and a strong internet security interface to provide remote support for customers. The system provides huge benefits. The support engineer in the ASM regional support facility can see exactly what the engineer in the factory is looking at, and instructions can be given orally or by downloading information to the heads-up display. It reduces downtime, you don't have to wait for an engineer to arrive on site, and it saves on cost. Remote support is also useful for training and maintenance support. On the sidelines, the debate continued this week among companies as to which Industry 4.0 solution will win the race for machine-to-machine connectivity. Will it be IPC's CFX standard, or the Siemens Mentagraphics OML, or perhaps it might be the new Hermes standard? This week, Hermes seemed to be gaining traction, with more companies joining the existing 17 companies signed up to support the standard. Another significant trend in Shanghai this week was that development engineers are now actively talking about the role of AI in the smart factory. All the new data-driven tools will include AI to provide self-learning features. So, in conclusion, David, the optimism felt on the ground here in China is reflected in the general mood across the electronics manufacturing world at the moment. The industry now moves on to the next event in Nuremberg, Germany in 2 weeks' time, where no doubt this story will continue to unfold.
Thank you, Trevor. Also, congratulations to our roving reporter Keith Bryant, who won Best Paper Award at SMT China Conference. Visnar Europe has extended its range of QuantX dispensing consumables by launching 4 manual syringe plungers. Available in 3, 5, 10 and 30cc, the new selection has been designed to offer clean, comfortable alternative to conventional squeeze bottles and hypodermic syringes. Medium and high viscosity fluids can be dispensed, including sealants, epoxies and greases. Precision machined in aluminium to ensure a long-lasting durable product, ideal for rework and low volume assembly. That's it for this week. Thank you to our sponsor Twin International, bubble-free potting from the industry leader in benchtop to fully inline potting under vacuum. So check back with me next week for more top stories from around the electronics world.